I'll be using EZ braid, and this hair is already pre-stretched and there's no need for stretching, and it comes with 5 bundles in all. Hello, welcome back. So today's video is about braiding this braid wig. Guys, if you want to see a video of how I ventilated this hair, because this hair is super thick, I can't imagine I actually did this in 3 weeks. If you want a video of it, please let me know in the description below, in the comments below. So as I said before, I'm using EZ braid for this braiding, and this hair is already stretched and there's no need for me to stretch this hair again. So I got this hair from a nearby store, so it's very common in the market. I'm going to start the braiding from the down, and I'm going to braid 4 at the end. And this is a knotless braid that I'm doing for my sister. So when I'm done with the first 4, I'll move to the next line and I'm going to braid 5. So it is like that. So the number of braids that you're going to start with, that is what you are going to build it up. So when you start with 3 braid at the end, at the down, the next braid you're going to be doing should be 4. I hope you got what I'm saying. So anytime I want to braid, I make sure that I make a rough sketch, not sketch per se, but if I'm going to be dividing the hair into 5, I make sure that I part the hair and make sure that the sizes are going to be equal. Even if they are not going to be equal, it shouldn't be that of much difference. So I do that to help me know the amount of hair that I should be using to braid each line. I realized that my body is blocking the view and it is making it difficult to see what I'm doing in the video. So I decided to forward the part where my body is blocking the view. I use the braiding gel, that is Jam and Shine gel, on the hair before starting to braid. So I'd like to ask you to please click on the subscribe button to be part of this channel and like this video so that YouTube is going to find this video important and necessary, and then continue to publish this video. Anytime you are starting a knotless braid, after you've braided it to some length and you want to add a hair extension to it, make sure that the hair extension that you are going to place on the braid is small. It's like you're starting from small and then you move a little bigger, and then you pick an amount that is going to suit, or that is going to make it look like your previous braids. So let me put it this way, it should be greater than the previous extension. So I have a video on the common mistakes that beginners do when braiding their hair, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below or at the end of this video. I'm going to separate some hair on the front for my edges. I'm going to be braiding 2 on these sides that I'm showing in the video. Before you start braiding your knotless braid, you have to separate the hair that you're going to be using for the braid into 3 parts, and then you can start with your braiding. So when you are braiding it, make sure you braid upwards for the roots of the braid. So you braid for about 3-4 lines. I didn't really count it. And then you can start adding your extension bit by bit. There is a reason for adding the extension bit by bit, and you're going to find it in the mistakes that new braiders mostly do. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to share this video to others. For this video to be short and not boring, I decided to split this video into 3 parts. So this is a wig that I'm making. So with wigs, there has to be some elastic bands, some wig combs, a lot of things needs to be done to the hair. So I'll be doing that in a different video, and I'm going to be showing the cutting, the boiling, everything in that video. So please don't forget to subscribe so that you know the end product of this wig. And the last part of the video is going to be how to install this braid to make it look natural on your head. So you know what to do. Do not forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of these videos that I'll be uploading on this braid. After the 3rd hair extension, the next extension that I added was little than the 3rd one, and this is because as you braid on, the hair size starts to drop. So anytime you're adding any extension at that length, you have to make sure that the braid that you're going to be adding to it is going to be less, and this is going to help maintain the size of the braid so that they will all look equal. Lest I forget this, the 1 pack of hair, that is the EZ braid, wasn't enough, so I had to add about 1 pack of ultra to it to make it enough. Finally, this is the end of the video. This is how the braid is looking. I haven't done the cutting, I haven't put it in hot water, but this is how the hair is looking. And this hair is looking beautiful to me. I don't know about you. Leave your comments and let me know if there was something that I did wrong. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time.